There's my Elisha cuckoo. Hello, darling. There's my Elisha. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Hello, darling. Hello, Mummy's bird. Mummy's bird. There you are, darling. Good bird. 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 Hello, Elisha. My Elisha cuckoo. Come along, cuckoo. What a good bird. What a good boy. You are such a good boy. And there's your brother there, cooing away. Don't you get jealous, you brothers. Don't be jealous, brothers. Don't be jealous. Come along. Come along, cuckoo. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. There you are. There you are. Mummy's Elisha. Come along now. You start cooing up to those nice ladies. You start cooing up to those nice ladies. Got two nice wives for you now, you and your brother. You shouldn't be over here. You should be chasing the ladies. You should be chasing those nice ladies. What are you doing here, darling? You're a good boy. You're a good Elisha. My Wonderwhite. You are my Wonderwhite. Now don't get carried away. Don't get carried away. Now. Now. Hang on a minute. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Good boy. Good boy, my Kua. Good boy, Kua. There you are, dear precious. There you are, precious bird. You're a bit naughty. You get a little bit naughty, a little bit stropless. There you are, my Kua. There's my Elisha. Good Elisha. There goes Elijah. There he goes. He's cooing. He's going to coo up. Go and chase one of those nice ladies, darling. That's what you're supposed to be doing. Chasing one of the nice ladies. There you are. Good bird.